How to set up Wi-Fi on Microseven HD Wi-Fi camera before the installation. The camera hardware must connect the router via an Ethernet cable, and power supply must plug on the 110-volt AC outlet and power on the camera. The Wi-Fi antenna must install on the camera. Now you are ready to set up the camera Wi-Fi configuration. Download and install the Cam Locator software on the computer. Click on Microseven Cam Locator icon on the desktop and to open a Cam Locator window. The Cam Locator window opened, click on Search button to find a Microseven HD camera. A Microseven camera is found. Highlight it and click on Open. A browser is opening, and a login dialog window pops up. You need to log in the Microseven HD camera. Enter the username and password. Manufacturer default username is admin and password is password. You will change the credential later after your setup. Then click on OK. After past the login screen, you landed on the home page. Click on Live View. The live feed video from the camera is streaming in the Live View page. Now click on the camera menu at the top of the menu bar, then click on Wireless Settings on the side menu. On the Wireless Settings page, click on Search button to find Wi-Fi. A Wi-Fi list pop-up window pops up. Find the Wi-Fi you want to connect to and click on Join button. The pop-up window disappears, and you are at the Wireless Settings page. Wireless mode is station, SSID, security type and encryption types of info are captured via the camera system. Enter the Wi-Fi password in the password field. And click on Test. Tested failed, the password is incorrect. Try the password again, and click on Test button. Now the test passed. Click on the Apply button to save the configuration. Close the browser window. Go to unplug the Ethernet cable, wait for about 20 seconds. Go to Cam Locator again to find the Microseven camera, the camera found. Click on the Open button. A new browser window opens. Enter the username and password on the login screen. After past the login screen, click on the Live View. The live feed is streaming on the internet browser. The Wi-Fi setup is complete.